Number two is you are dealing with grown ups. Your agents,
Yes. Thank you.
gumagawa na ng mga anak yan, Day. Every day. They're all grown ups, right? They're
Correct.
not children. Their joy, their job. What do I mean by that? Okay? Be honest with them. But this is what I call radical candor. That's the type of leadership mentality that I am practicing, that I suggest that you also start practicing, right? Radical candor. It means being honest and being honest enough to your agents to let them know their opportunity in a productive and constructive way, right? If you're not going to tell your agent that you are interpreting their customer's concern wrong, that agent will not grow. Their joy, their job, your job is not to bring joy to your agents,
Correct.
right? Your job to them is to support them and make them successful in what they do.